or multiple choice questions. Which one of the following countries has the largest size of illiterate population in the age group of 15 plus in the world? The answer is which is one of the largest size of illiterate population. So the illiterate population is in Myanmar. It is in Myanmar. Now, development of a country can generally be determined by its per capita income, its average literacy level also, and health status of its people, none of these. So because only one option is being asked, so we will give per capita income. We can obtain per capita income of a country by calculating what? The answer is, we can take the national income and we can divide, that is the national income divided by the total population. This is going to be the per capita income of a country. Kerala has low infant mortality rate. Why? The answer is, it has adequate provision of basic health and education facilities. Health and education both are important. That is why Kerala, being 99% literate, it has low infant mortality rate. Which of the following neighboring countries have better performance in terms of HDI, that is human development, than India? The answer is Sri Lanka. Assume there are 4 families in a country. The average per capita income of these countries is 5,000. The income of 3 families is 4,000, 7,000, 3,000 respectively. What is the income of the 4th family? So we just add them, 4,000 plus 7,000 plus 3,000, it is going to be 14,000. So we just add this with the x, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us assume the 4th one is x. So 4,000, 7,000, 3,000 plus x, so 14,000 plus x divided by 4 is the 5,000, which is the average. So this is going to be 14,000 plus x equal to 5,000 into 4, that is 20,000. So just take it here, x will be equal to 6,000. This is the answer. According to World Development Report 2004, the low-income countries are those which have per capita income of, the answer is $825, that is $825 or less. This has changed in 2011. Okay. Identify which of the following cannot be a development goal for a landless rural laborer. The answer is, he doesn't want foreign tours. He just wants land. He wants good labor, good wages. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like, they want equal treatment, they want freedom, they want security, so they need all of them. So 9 is D. Different persons could have different as well as conflicting notions of a country's development. A fair, just and just path for all should be achieved. Interpret the concept being discussed here. The answer is national development. List how many tons of liquid toxic waste a vessel dumped in a city called Abidjan in Ivory Coast, a country in Africa. How many tons of the liquid, toxic liquid in the water? The answer is 500 tons. 1 ton is 100 kg. So you can assume how many kg is there. Countries with higher or high income are dash than others with less income. They are more developed than others with less income. Income of the country divided by the total population is known as per capita income. The World Development Report 2006, countries or these rich countries are those which 2004 has in the per capita income of. The answer is 4,53,000 and above. In 2011, it has changed, that is, those countries, rich countries, 8.6 lakh. This is 4.53 lakhs. Now, in World Development Report 2006, low-income countries were those which in 2004 had the per capita income of. The answer is 37,000. But in 2011, this amount is 70,000. 70,000 Indian rupees. In 2004, India came in the category of. In which category India came? Low income categories. But 2011, it is in between rich and poor, because rich is 8.6 lakh per annum per person and the poor were 70,000 per person per annum. India was 93,000 per person per annum. Per annum is for a whole year. Comparing all states, identify the states which has the highest per capita income in 2002-2003. The answer is Punjab. Which state had the least per capita income in 2002-2003? And the answer is Bihar. Number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1,000 live children born in the particular year is known as the infant mortality rate. Infant means kid, children, child. Mortality means death. Rate is rate, right? How fast it is growing. So 19th here is infant mortality rate. Proportion of literate population in the 7, that is anyone who is 7 plus and he is able to read or write, or she is able to read or write, is called as, what is the answer? The answer is literacy rate. Which age group of children is included in calculating the net attendance ratio? It is 6 to 10. In 2003, infant mortality rate in Kerala was, it's 11 only, while Punjab was having 49. For the year 95-96, the net attendance ratio of class 1 to 5th in Bihar was 41. Literacy rate for rural male population of Uttar Pradesh is, it's 52%. For calculating the BMI, body mass index, that is what is the height and what is the weight, that is a proportionate body to the weight ratio is body mass index. Weight of a person is divided by, the answer is square of the height. The BMI is less than 18.5, then the person would be considered as undernourished. Report published by the UNDP which compares countries based on the educational level of the people, their health status and per capita income is Human Development Report. SGI rank of India in the world out of 177 countries in 2004 was, it's 126. India's per capita income in US dollar is dash Sri Lanka, that is less than Sri Lanka in 2004. So 29 will go with the less than. Nepal has nearly dash the per capita income of India. The answer is, it's half the per capita income of India. What proportion of country is overusing their groundwaters? What proportion? The answer is 1/3 of the country. We are overusing the groundwater reserves. Resources which will get exhausted after years of use is called, they are non-renewable resources. We cannot renew them. That is why they are called as non-renewable resources. So these are the key to the question answers we just saw. This you have to recheck, otherwise all are correct. So this is about the question and answer of this topic. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.